Hey there, it's 2050, and your day kicks off with a 1.5-degree warmer vibe. Your house, smart as can be, wakes you up with a friendly AI voice. Your morning coffee? Well, it's a pill, and your go-to podcast, hosted by AI-created actors, covers topics tailored to your interests. No need to click anything. Thanks to Elon's Neuralink, your thoughts are on the show. But that's not all. Artificial birth keeps things eco-friendly. The Hyperloop zips you around. Flying cars add a dash of sci-fi. And the metaverse? It's your new playground. Welcome to the future. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates. Now, let's explore the cool tech of the future, starting with smart homes. Smart homes. Soon, houses will be super smart. They'll be able to tell who's family and who's a guest by using things like fingerprints, body temperatures, or heartbeat. With this, they'll adjust things to make everyone comfortable. Plus, your house will do things all on its own, like switching off lights when needed and adjusting temperatures. It'll even be secure with cameras and locks, and you can just talk to your house and it will listen. Moreover, they'll be like robots, cooking, cleaning, gardening, and handling your budget. Your super smart home will take care of everything, making life easier and more convenient. Neuralink. And the next one is the Neuralink chip. It is like a tiny computer meant to be put inside people's brains. This innovation is all about linking brains directly to technology. Imagine being able to control things with just your thoughts. That's the promise of Neuralink. This technology could be life-changing, helping people with paralysis or disabilities regain movement or aiding the visually impaired to see again. Neuralink could also boost our memory, focus, and even predict and treat diseases by keeping an eye on our brain activity. Agriculture. In 2050, farming will be completely automated. Robots will take care of everything on the farm, from deciding when to water the crops to giving them just the right amount of sunlight. They'll even know the perfect time to harvest the crops. And when the product is ready, these smart robots will make sure it gets to the market. It's like having a team of expert farmers, making farming easier and more efficient. Artificial birth. In the future, babies might skip the belly and grow in super cool machines. Imagine a whole bunch of babies, like 30,000, snug and growing in these pod-like gadgets. They're not just any pods, they're super smart, kind of like having a whole team of doctors watching over each little one. These machines peek into the baby's genes and health to make sure everything's just right. And parents might even get to make a few tweaks to their baby's genes before they're born. It's like picking out eye or hair color from a super high-tech menu. 3D printing. By 2050, using 3D print technology, making things will be super easy. You can find a computer file online and send it to the 3D printer. Then your chosen object will be made. It'll change how we make big things and even weapons. There's also a cool TV idea that works like a hologram. A push of a button on your phone and a 3D picture pops up. With this accessibility, the possibilities of what we can print will be almost limitless. Nanotechnology. There's a possibility that the tiny technology called nanotech will change our world and health, as they can go inside our bodies and act like little doctors, fixing things from the inside, just like tiny superheroes swimming in our blood to fight off harmful germs. It is believed that in the future, tiny nanobots could be implanted in our brains to connect us quickly to the virtual world. It will connect our brain and the computer to make it more powerful to access tons of information and solutions. Nanotechnology is also making energy sources better. It improves batteries for electric cars and makes solar panels capture more energy from the sun. It's all about using tiny structures to do big things. Transportation. Traveling in the future is going to be mind-blowing. Imagine a train doesn't fly, but floats on magnets. It moves without regular engines, which saves a lot of money. That's the Hyperloop, a sci-fi train moving super fast inside a tunnel without air or floor slowing it down. It goes up to 1,300 kilometers per hour. There's also this bus, the 3D Express coach, that lifts up so cars can go underneath it. It's like a cartoon bus. It never gets stuck in traffic and doesn't need a special road. Plus, you won't have to wait in lines. Instead, you'll have flying taxis. Just hop in, take off, and land wherever you wish. It's an incredible invention set to transform transportation. Metaverse. The metaverse is like a giant digital playground where you're not just watching from the sidelines, you're in the game. Right now, it's mainly for hanging out, playing games, and doing virtual meetups. This digital wonderland might shake up everything in the future. Imagine teleporting into stores without leaving your couch, exploring whole new worlds from home, or even taking classes in these funky, futuristic virtual classrooms. The metaverse could be the next big thing in how we roll into our daily lives. Life on Mars. In 2050, there might be cities on Mars. They could be carved into the cliffs of Mars and designed to sustain life for many people. Scientists call this city Nua. This city would be huge, with space for around 250,000 people. They believe Mars is a better place to settle down than the Moon because the Moon is a bit tricky to live on. It's got problems like not having enough water and some important minerals. But Mars? Well, it's different. Mars has what it takes to let people live there without needing too much from Earth. Humanoid AI robots. Robots are taking over, and by 2050, they'll be everywhere. By 2050, these mechanical marvels will not just be in factories, but all around us, making life way easier. They'll get smarter and start doing more human-like things. From feeling emotions to working in different fields like healthcare, transportation, and farming. These robots are going to be super busy. Plus, they're going to make things safer, more accurate, and super efficient. Bionic limbs. In 2050, we'll have awesome bionic body parts. Beyond amazing bionic eyes, you'll find remarkable limbs. These cutting-edge arms and legs won't just restore function, they'll enhance abilities. Picture high-quality bionic eyes like powerful cameras, enabling vivid vision even in darkness, with nifty features like zoom. Similarly, these bionic limbs will revolutionize movement, offering strength and agility beyond natural capacity. This advancement will remove the physical barriers faced by disabled people while raising profound questions about what it means to be human. Moreover, these limbs will look, move, and feel more like real limbs, bringing a whole new dimension to human adaptability. Space exploration. You've probably vacationed in the US, Italy, or Spain, but have you ever considered a space vacation? In the next few decades, it might just become possible. Space tourism, or traveling to space for fun, is on the horizon. There are different kinds of space tourism, whether it's orbiting the Earth, suborbital flights, or even visiting the Moon. What do you think about taking a vacation in space? Would you like to go to space for fun? And what's your biggest dream for the future? What would you love to see happen? Let us know in the comments down below. If you found this peek into the future as mind-blowing as we did, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible insights. See you in the next chapter of the future.